Okay, guys, so this is pretty unbelievable. On Friday, yesterday, I actually recorded this video, and the money volume for these January 29th for the $60 call was actually $91 million, one of the highest, if not the highest, trading volume flow I've ever recorded. As of right now, it's Saturday, 6:24 in the morning, and my code picked it up again, and it's $128 million now. $128 million. The money flow for the $60 call for January 29 is 168, oh sorry, $128 million. That is absolutely bonkers. And we can also see how big the hedge funds and big money is scared, because there were more calls that were actually sold so they can cover their shorts. Look at this. They're sold all the way up to 115. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. If you guys get a chance to buy, I'm probably gonna buy $115 call. This $115 call for January 29th. I'm probably gonna buy this one on Monday at open. Um, Absolutely insane. I fully think that on Monday there is a big chance that we might hit 120, 140, because without the limit breaker that we had, without the halt on Friday, I do think GameStop could have easily hit 120 to 140 bucks. So I am going to be buying these January 29th $115 calls. I might buy them for February 5th. I don't know yet. I want to see how much they actually cost, but absolutely